Welcome to my project Patsa.com. The title is Social Compute Cloud, Allocating and Sharing Infrastructure Resources via Social Network. Nowadays, data sharing through social network is difficult in concern with security. The data transfer from one node to another through network should be more efficient and secure. There are various mechanisms proposed to avoid secure issues in the network transmissions of data. The cooperative key-based authentication scheme provides security for data transmissions in social network. The data transmitted from one end user is first encrypted using the Randall algorithm and Blowfish algorithm. The data then transmitted to the other end user is received first and decrypted for 2 times to retrieve the data, and then moreover, our scheme presents an efficient attributes revocation method that achieves both forward and backward secrecy. The security and performance analysis results indicate that the proposed scheme is secure and efficient in online social network. They encrypted and decrypted each 128-bit blocks separately. If the plaintext contains identical 128-byte blocks, as many text files to the blocks will be encrypted identically. This makes some of the plaintext structure visible in the ciphertext even to someone who does not have the key. The flow is user registrations and login. First one is random key generations. One data will be randomly generated. 2 encryptions methods are used in these projects. One encryption is used to server side, another one is user side. One data can be sent from user to server with security key, and this data sent to trusted party. Trusted party means intermediate helper, and then TTP also. TTP means trusted party. Trusted party sent to server, and server decrypt the data. 2 techniques are used in these projects. One technique is random based technique, another one is password based techniques. Random based technique is encryption decryption process, and password based technique is assigning the key. And 2 algorithms are used in this encryption decryption process. One is Blowfish algorithm, another one is Randall algorithm. Blowfish and Randall algorithm is used to both forward and backward secrecy technique. Thus unauthorized access from the OSN service provider to the plaintext of the encrypted data should be prevented. In our proposed system, initially the data will be encryption format, then it will be decrypted twice. If the data will be decrypted, then it will go to the re-encrypted format. We get the original information. It proposes a secure data sharing scheme in online social networks based on ciphertext policy, Blowfish algorithm, and based on re-encryption sharing algorithm. Let us see the demo. Go to next. In user side, new registrations and already registered button, and go to new registration button and click here. User create a new account and enter this all details and first name. I give 10-digit number. Enter your mail ID. And password is, re-enter your password. Registration successful, and again log in your account. And login successful. Go to next. User sent through mail to server. The message is code sent through mail and server secure mail. As the code is sent through mail to server, your verify code. Key generations for the encrypted data. The data value is automatically generated and it takes a few seconds. This data values is automatically generated by using a key gen algorithm. Key generation successful. In user side is choose the data and select the any text file. I select the hi.txt. Open this file. These files are encrypted. Thus the data can send from user to third party. And this frame is a data owner side, and the data owner only can modify the data and read the data. And modify data is the owner can modify the data again send to server. Go to next. TTP password is 1328. Check the password by using a password field encryption. I cannot open these files. Anybody else? Only open this server and get modify data. Server key is 1263 and TTP key is 1328. This is your TTP key, and to give this same key and original data successfully view. And this one is server side. Server only decrypt the data and then re-encryption. Enter the server code. Already I give 1263. The data has been re-encrypted by using Randall algorithm. Feature enhancement is to apply the Merkle hash tree method. ID, name, path, file name, and this one is server side clustering. Server 1, server 2, server 3 data is D data, and server 4, server 5, server 6, server 7, and then 8. Server 8 data sent to server 7 and server 7 to server 6. It's also a data grouping process. All data are stored in server 1. This data also stored in server 1. And go to next. Graph of encryption and decryption data. Comparison. This graph is comparison between time and attributes. Encryption time on owner. X-axis is number of attributes in access policy. Y-axis is encryption time on owner. And go to decryption. X-axis is number of accessor attributes and Y-axis is distribution time on accessor. Black color is our scheme and this one is proposed scheme. Thank you.